Welcome to Costa Rica's #1 tourist destination, Manuel Antonio National Park.
And just 13 kilometers away, tucked among peaceful farmlands and lush tropical jungles, is this absolute gem of a property.
A large greenhouse, chicken coop, and tropical fruit orchard give a daily dose of fresh, natural, nutritious, and delicious bounty.
Secure gate, huge carport, and large gravel parking area front the home. You can also access the property from the opposite side.
The bottom floor is a house in itself. A large open area with a kitchen, living lounge and dining room, a big bedroom, a bathroom, and a study sprawl over this space.
The upper level provides magnificent views from the covered veranda. It holds 4 bedrooms, one of them being a big bunk room. This 5-bedroom Manuel Antonio home with huge potential is brought to you exclusively by REMAX. We Sell Paradise and Ben, your agent, who is waiting for your call. Like and subscribe for more Costa Rica real estate and lifestyle content. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon in paradise.